Hey, what's up, guys? This is Armor Coating. This is Reno with Armor Coating. This is my worldwide headquarters. Today I'm going to go and show you the way that I do rims now. It's totally changed from some of my previous videos because I've done a lot of rims and I've changed equipment. So the process is a little bit different, and I think it's a more durable option no matter what wheel you're doing. So these are some Audi wheels. I did them last week. Two of them had some imperfections that I didn't see, and because I guarantee it, you know, if the customer's not happy, I'll redo it. So today I'm going to be redoing it. I've got them cleaned off, all wiped down. I'm about to hit them with a rosebud. So I'd show you that, but really it's just a large torch just to burn any lint and everything off. Put them in the oven, warm them up a little bit, and then I'll go into the type of powder that I'm going to be using. Just to burn the lint off. Alright, got the rims out of the oven. The outside of the barrel is around 130. The center is around, 200, whatever. I'm gonna let it cool down to around 120, and then I'm gonna shoot some satin black on it. This big old deal of satin black. Got it from Columbia Coating. I think for around $3.90 a pound after shipping and everything. So it's a really good price. So I'll put satin black in here and then let it cure for a little bit, and then I'm gonna put the clear coat on it, and it's gonna lock all that stuff in, make it an awesome gloss black. Also, I'm gonna be going over doing some awesome stenciling on these valve covers for my buddy Craig Fowler down in Memphis. He's got the team Fowler Racing, got a really awesome nitrous car. I'm gonna put these right here on it. It's gonna say Silverback. This is all going to be in the polished aluminum, and then I'm going to put the same thing with these, satin black down, pull the vinyls, and then clear coat it over everything, and it's going to make everything shine. It's going to be a gloss black valve cover with polished aluminum lettering and this crazy gorilla face. And these are some stuff I did a while back. And some gloss black, just gloss black, and it jacked up. It's been sitting in my shop. I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna scuff this up really good, and then I'm gonna put some clear coat on it and bring it back to life. Yeah, get all these bad scratches out of it and get everything corrected. So you'll see that it's gonna be pretty cool. All right, for this I have my KV set on about 70 and my micro ohm set about 35. On my next color, I'll drop both of these. I'll drop the KV halfway to around 35, and I'll drop this down around 5 or 6. This right here kind of depends on what you're using, whether it's box or what. But I can bump this number up to get a little more air or more powder. This, when I'm using a box speed, I like to have it up to about 20. It's gonna pour out there a little bit. That's fine. It's not really wasting a lot, but it's working good. So here we go. I always start with the back of the. rim first, because you do the back of the rim, you get all that, and it kind of coats a lot of the front of the rim. So I'm really good. Really nice finish. Inspected them really good, and you're like, oh, why'd you powder coat the inside of the barrel? Well, customers like it, and it's more attractive because they you know, they come in and they're gonna pick these rims up like this. I'm not putting any tires on them. It just looks better, I think, personally. You can do what you want, but this is the way I do it, and so far I haven't had any complaints. And you're saying, oh, well, what about this? You know, that you powder coat right there, the powder could fail, which I've heard before. When you press it onto the wheel, you know, you tighten it down. That's another BS. I'd like to see it. And you're looking at, you know, 3 or 4 mils thickness of powder, which I didn't even put this on thick, just enough to where you can't see the base or the metal. How is 3 or 4 mils gonna fail and come out of there? I don't think it's going to. All right, about to pull out these rims, cool down so I can add the clear coat. They look really good. They're hot. Let me see. Temperature steep. About 317. Yeah. So I'm gonna let them cool down and get some clear on them. Right now, I have just about finished doing the stencil work on these, which is, you know, easy. I use a vinyl cutter, a Titan 3, and then this is Avery high tip vinyl paint mask and low tack paper. So the paint mask is low tack and the transfer paper is low tack, so it's easy to deal with. The stretch is really easy. See the gorilla there? It's gonna be awesome. And I'm gonna pull this up. Gotta be real gentle because, you know, it's all low tack, but so it wants to come up really easy. No big deal. That's a good thing. You don't want to have something that sticks on there hard, so that way when you're pulling it off after you powder coat it, you're prone to mistakes. This stuff comes off super easy, real nice clean lines. And don't worry about that. I'll fix it. It don't matter if it's cracked or not. As long as powder don't get in there, we're good. It's kind of difficult to do with one hand. I might have to see how this pulls. When you get the little bitty lines, they're a little more difficult, but that's okay. I'm trying to watch what I'm doing and videotape at the same time. Shouldn't be doing it this way, but if I make a mistake, I can always cut another one. No big deal. Really easily, and as long as powder don't get under where you stick the vinyl, it's good. And also, this stuff doesn't have any nasty sticky stuff on the under the back after you do it, so there's nothing to remove once you pull it off. You pull it off and that's it. Pretty easy. Pretty awesome. Now I'm gonna do the next one. Let these bad boys cool off and get back to work. All right, got these deals prepped. Got it hanging from a rack. Good little spot where I can powder coat everything. I'll hang them right here. See the back, I prepped it. No powder's gonna get in the backside. Got that plug capped off. Doesn't look awesome. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I could probably move these to the hook and rotate it, but being I'm not painting the back, there's really no need because, you know, it's all in the front. So I'm gonna start my fan and we're gonna see it happen. This is a lot easier. I can show you the whole way through this. Getting those tight spots. Good. Outside real good. I'm doing the outside first because I don't want to put a whole lot of powder on the base of these. seconds, 2 minutes 50. I just opened the door before I started videoing. Powder kind of melted a little. They're starting to separate. Perfect timing. We're actually not even going to put these back in the oven because I'm going to clear right over this. Unfortunately, I'd like to do it, but it's going to take a couple of hands to be super steady when pulling these off, so I'm going to stop videoing. I wish I could have showed you that, but I don't have anybody holding my phone for me. And I'm going to let this cool off. There's slight imperfections, but it's not going to be that big a deal. It actually looks really, really good. Imperfection is that right there. And what happens is, this is a TGIC powder from Columbia, a satin, super satin black. So when you're pulling through different powders like polyurethane, TGIC, and I can't remember the other one, but so this stuff gets real brittle when it starts to dry, so you have to pull it hot. See the difference? This is smooth and that is a little rough. What happens was I pulled this one first and it's all real good and smooth, and it had already started to cool off. Well, I pulled this one and it was hot. I go over here, started pulling the griddle stuff because I always pull the hardest stuff first. Some of it was started to get brittle, but I should have stopped right there, and then I pulled the K off and the K come off. So what I did was put it back in the oven for a couple of minutes and then pulled the rest of these from the C all the way back to the S, and they got super awesome lines. Now I'm gonna let it cool off, become room temperature. I'm gonna drop my KV and my microamps back down really low and then spray clear over here. This is a super satin, but when it gets done, it'll be super glossy. All you gotta do is hold like this. Alright, so I'm gonna do the second coat. I'm gonna bring my KV down to about 35 and my microamps about 5. I got the one that's all scuffed up but still has a gloss. I went over it with the 3M scratch pad. So I dulled it all up, and this is gonna make the clear stick to it a lot better. And also, you know, once I put the clear on here, it'll be back gloss black with no imperfections, and it'll keep it from micro scratching. All right, here we go, guys. Got everything finished up. Valve covers, wheels, and these A-arms. So here you go. This is satin black with super durable wet clear. I just pulled it out of the oven, so it's really hot. Looks really good. Here's the deal. Like, you see some of this stuff in here, and that was already there. If I would have got a polisher or whatever on it, which I don't polish, if I had somebody to polish them up, that would be really, really bright and shiny. But you know, it's a valve cover. There's going to be mistakes on it, you know. But now it's a lot more durable, and that paint job will last forever. And you know, next year, if he wants to get it polished up and make it look super nice, I can just strip it right back off, get it polished, and redo it. Same thing. And these A-arms, awesome. All I did was scuff them up and then shoot some clear right over it. Back to gloss black. Everything looks good. Can't beat it. Thanks for tuning in. Please remember, like and share, or like my video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. If you're on Facebook, I appreciate you watching, guys. Be sure to check out Boar's Nest Fabrication. I'll put a link in below. Nick's Restoration, I'll put a link in below. Those guys got Facebook pages. Go and like and share their Facebook page. Russ does some awesome fabrication. Nick does some awesome paint jobs. And we'll be doing videos of that here pretty soon when we start doing some of the car builds and stuff like that. And then when we get cars rolling in, we got a NSX coming in, some old school Chevys, some old school Impalas. Y'all are going to be really excited about this. Thanks, and you guys have a great day. Appreciate it.